Good morning, children. How are you? Yesterday, day before yesterday, we have discussed about sense organs. These are the sense organs. We learnt about eye, ear, nose, tongue, skin. These are what? Sense organs. Yes, children. Now, today our topic is problems with sense organs. What? Problems with sense organs. So some people suffering from some disability with sense organs means some people may not look properly, some may blind, some may deaf, like that. So these kind of disabilities are there. We see some problems here. There are people who have problems with one or more of their sense organs. Somebody cannot see clearly, but he can see clearly when they wear spectacles. Somebody cannot see anything, they are totally blind. See, some people may not see clearly, but if they use spectacles, they can see clearly. So consult doctor, test well. They suggest you some suitable spectacles. By wearing this, we can see clearly. But some people cannot see clearly. They are totally blind. They are totally blind. No use with the spectacles. Understand, children? Yes. One more activity here. Close your eyes with the help of a clean cloth. Now try to do the following things. Try to go to the toilet without any help. Try to eat your lunch. It is easy for you. Yes, ma'am. Already this type of activity we have done in the last class. Okay, again you try. Close your eyes with clean hanky, clean cloth. Now try to do the following things. What are they? Try to go to the toilet without any help. Yes, by your own, without any help, without taking any help, you go to toilet. Is it possible? Very difficult. We can't go. Try to eat your lunch. You only take your lunch from kitchen and sit in the dining table, eat. Is it possible? Not possible. And also we don't know what have in the plate. Some insects are there in the plate. Okay now. So very difficult. Next. Do you know how blind people find their things? How do they read and write? Blind people find their things by touching them. They can reach the right places by counting their steps when they move. They use a walking stick that help them find the way. Books for the blind are written in Braille. They have to read by touching the letters. See, some blind people are also educate. They also can write and read. How? They can't see, but they can read. They can't see, but they can write. How? Means there is a way. There is a way. They can learn or they can read, write with the help of Braille. They have a separate script is there. They have separate books are there. That book is called what? Braille. Books for the blind are written in Braille. They have to read by touching the letters. See, in that book, some small knobs are there. By touching that, they can read and also they can write by punching. Understand, children? Yes, see. And also, blind people can find the things by touching them. For example, if we give you cell phone to them, they can touch, they can observe, and they can say, this is cell phone. That way ball, many things they can. Mostly they will say by touching. And also they can reach the right places. How? By counting the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the cupboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the bathroom. Like that. They can count the steps. That way they can move different places. And also they use walking stick. Understand, children? By this walking stick they can go, they can come out. Have you seen? Yes, ma'am. Many people who are blind, they use what? Walking stick. Yes, children. Okay. Next. Somebody cannot hear properly. They use a hearing aid so that they are able to listen to the sounds around. People who cannot hear and speak, they use sign language to talk to others. They guess what others are saying by looking at the movement of their lips. See, now disabled with hear. So somebody cannot hear properly, means they are deaf. Of course, partially or completely. If partially means by using hearing aid, they can hear the sound around. Understand, children? So these hearing aid or hearing mission help them to hear the sound. If completely means we can't do anything. Understand, children? We can't help them. Okay. If partially means by using hearing aid, we can listen. Okay, now next. People who cannot hear and speak, dumb people. Okay, children. These dumb people give us signs, signals. By these signals, they can talk with us. Understand, children? Signs doing, waving hands. Okay, na? Like that. Giving signals. Okay, children. That way, dumb people can speak. Deaf people understand what others are saying by looking their lips, lip movement they can observe. By that they can understand. Who completely deaf, who cannot hear completely. Understand, children? They observe others' lips. What are they talking? Closely observe their lips. By that they can understand. Understand, children? Yes. So our lesson is complete, ma. Thank you.